So how do we stop mutating objects? You can't just stop the data inside an object from being mutated just by using const. You can though use a method provided by JavaScript called freeze. This method is part of the object standard built-in object. Once you have used this method, you will not be able to change the object, and if you are running your code using strict mode, an error will be thrown. The return value of the method will be the object which was passed into the function. The syntax for this is as follows: Object.freeze, parentheses, and then your object name. After the object literal has been created, we'll use the Object.freeze method and pass in the 𝑟Object. Let's save this and run this. We get the 𝑟Object returned to us, but now let's try changing the animal1 property to be cow again, just like we did in the last video. We'll save this and try running the code again. Nothing has changed, and the original object is returned.